Well, hi, it's Paul. January 18th, 2019. I don't know what's going on with my screen here, but I did this a minute ago and it just kind of crashed on me, so we'll see how this one works. Okay, so new listings. And we have 1,287 square foot house right here that just came on the market. And it is a nice little single level home. Looking good. It's good. And 294 at 1,287 square feet. Where is this little sucker? Pretty close to my office here, Silverado Ranch. Pretty nice. And then, these on the market. Let's go down to here. Let's see. Let's get these prices in order here. And the days on the market. This is a condo, $117,000. Just came on the market. Highest priced $855. The condo didn't have any pictures on it, that's why I didn't go into it. Got this little house here. Pretty nice. Pool, spa in the backyard. For $855, almost 4,600 square feet. Pool, spa, 5 bedrooms, 5 bath, built in 14, so fairly new. And as of yesterday, we had condo, 2 bedroom, 1 bath, 37 is the unit. Looks like a downstairs unit. Okay, and that's 95,000. This is over in North Las Vegas area. Yep. Yep. And we have, let's see, let's get a couple pages in here in order to get the stuff from yesterday. This house over on Golden Eagle, 1,049, 3,000 square feet, almost 3,100. Good curb appeal, looks like a single level, lots of grass, couple garages, pool, lots of living area. Okay, that's pretty nice. Now let's get back over to here. Sold 296 in the past week or so. And actual close date. We had today's the 18th. 4 of them are already recorded today or put in the system. 83,000 to 558. And then as of yesterday, condos, 1 bedroom, 97.5. To 715,000. The guy over there was some night shot here. Pretty nice. On golf course. A couple of views here and there. And that looks like about it. We have some new under contracts here, but they don't really have dates on them. So we have to go day by day. And that's it for now. I will talk to you on Monday. You have a great weekend. Bye-bye.